So look, I just noticed something. This bird was just sitting on her eggs when I came out. That is not mama bird. That is not mama bird. I'm gonna look and see if other birds sit on other birds' nest or eggs or whatever. Because mama bird doesn't fly away when we come outside. But that bird just did. I think. Who was that talking earlier? I'm gonna look it up. I don't think that's not her. That's another bird. Maybe that's a male. Turns out that was the daddy that was supposed to be sitting on the eggs and flew away. According to this, he watches them during the day, or he incubates the eggs during the day. And listen, she is having a hot girl summer. They typically lay eggs 2 to 6 times a year. She's about to be having babies all summer. This is nuts. So I guess I won't be getting my plant back until around fall or so.